All right. Hey, everybody. I wanted to go over, if you've been following my channel, I had set up the Litecoin USDT pairs last month, and I wanted to do about a month review of how this new strategy is going. I've been a little bit busy, so I was not able to get the exact 1 month mark. I'm at 32 days with the Litecoin USDT pair. And you can see so far in 32 days, I've made $2.41 off of 342. I actually already did the math here. So if we break this down, I started with 342.03. My profit 241 divided into that, we're looking at a 0.70. So you're basically in between 0.5% to 1% for the first month of trading with this. Now, depending on who you are, you might think, that's good, not good, but what we have to look at is if we jump over here, and first let me take you down to my original where I started, just to give you a reference for the dates here. Okay, so beginning trade here was September 12th, 9:44. So let's go over here to the charts. You can see that I already have that marked up. That's this red line here. And what's interesting is when you look at what's really happened since we got involved in Litecoin is we have been in a basically side trending pattern for this entire time. So there has been no major moves one way or the other. And as we know with Eazybot, we're really most trading strategies, we have to have moves, considerable in an up or down direction for it to really leverage those moves and make profits on a big down move or up move. So, that being considered, guys, to get, 0.75% in a month in a market that's just side trending is actually incredible, and as we wait to see what's going to happen, if we start to see the bull run take effect here in the next few months, we're going to see some really great things happen with this new trading strategy that Muhammad has put into place. But if we break this down, if we kind of do some measurements, I mean, we had a 12% gain at one point, and Eazybot was doing what it does, buying and selling through that. But what's amazing is you see here, we're almost back down to the original price that we started with. So all of those gains, if someone was just buying and holding, Litecoin would be almost back down to even right now after a little over a month's time. So, you know, when you put that into perspective of if you're somebody who's buying and holding, the reality is since Eazybot has been launched, we have not, uh, somebody who's buying and holding, we have not seen uh, a profit. We've basically seen a market that has been down over the last, let's see, we're about a year and a half into Eazybot, and it's never returned. It did return to its original buy price at one point, but then it's down again. So, you want to talk about somebody who has to have patience for the long game is somebody who is buying and holding crypto or really in any of the markets, right? You can be looking at sometimes years before you're seeing a return. Where with Eazybot over this last year and a half, we have constantly profited no matter what the market is doing. So that's just such a powerful thing. And then, when you look, if we jump back over here to this return, if we come up here to the top again, $2.41, when you look at, well, if I put $342 into my bank account to save, would my bank pay me even near that amount? Well, obviously the answer is no. So guys, when you start to think about this as a long-term play and what this compounding can do, because that's the point, is I started with $342, but you see here, actually what's working in this trade session is 344.43. So this profit is rolling back in to the overall amount and compounding. And guys, when you run the numbers on compounding over a, you know, 3-year, 5-year, 10-year period, it's incredible what feels like starts out like a small amount turns into over a long period of time. So hopefully, guys, again, I'm going to continue to do this on all my coins, do a month review of them. I'll also be doing a review of my Bitcoin Ethereum pairs. I'm going to do that on Monday, so that we can see what kind of profit is being generated out of that incredible trading strategy and being able to stack Bitcoin, earn Bitcoin with your Bitcoin, and how powerful that is. So, okay, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.